Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In our last video, we have discussed about the worksheet of chapter number 9, that is part 1, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the answer the following question in a paragraph, that is part 2. So student, chapter name is A Time to Celebrate. So first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 9 because the whole worksheet is depend upon the chapter number 9. So let's have a quick overview. Chapter name is A Time to Celebrate. So student, in India we observe certain special days such as our festival and our national day. So student, in our country we celebrate the certain day as a celebration like festival, national days, important birthday. So student, festival. What are festival? Festivals are day or period of celebration. They are a time for having fun, meeting relatives and friends, wearing new clothes and eating tasty food. So student, there are different kinds of festival that we celebrate in our country, that we celebrate in India. First one is religious festival, second one is harvest and new year festival, and third we celebrate national day as a festival. So the religious festival are the festival that belongs to our religious, that belongs to different religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsis. Navratri and Dashera, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti are also the example of religious festival because this festival belongs to different religions. Now look at next, that is harvest and new year festival. So student, we get most of our food from crops. So in India we celebrate the harvesting of crops. These are called harvest festival. We also celebrate the beginning of the traditional new year, and this celebration vary from one region to another. And Bihu, Onam, Pongal, Baishakhi, Lohri, Makar Sankranti are the example of harvest and new year festival. The student, in our country we celebrate the national days like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti as a festival. So student, now come on the exercise. Answer the following question in a paragraph. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question and the answer should be in a paragraph. Now look at the first question. What is a festival and what are the different kinds of festivals celebrated in India? So student, in question number 1 you have to explain about festival and the different kind of festival celebrated in India. Look at the answer. Festivals are day or period of celebration. They are a time for having fun, meeting relatives. And there are different kinds of festival that we celebrate in India. Religious festival, harvest festival and national day. We also celebrate national day as a festival. Are the different kind of festival that we celebrated in India. Now come on question number 2. Write a short note on Diwali. So student, in this question you have to write about Diwali. You have to write about the festival of Diwali and how to celebrate Diwali. Now look at answer. Diwali is one of the most beautiful festival of India. It is also called the festival of light. On the occasion of Diwali, Ram come back to Ayodhya on this day after defeating Ravan. So student, on the day of Diwali, Ram come back to Ayodhya on this day after defeating Ravan, the king of Lanka. Ravan was the king of Lanka. And on the occasion of Diwali, we worship goddess Lakshmi at home in the evening. Now look at the question number 3. When do we celebrate Eid ul Fitr and how is it celebrated? So student, in question number 3, you have to write about when you celebrate Eid ul Fitr and how is it celebrated. Now look at answer. We celebrate Eid ul Fitr at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. And how is it celebrated? On Eid, people offer prayers at the mosque and greet each other. They wear new clothes and enjoy a large meals with their families and friends. Now look at the question number 4. Describe any two harvest festival of India. So student, in this question you have to describe and explain about any two harvest festival of India, any two harvest festival that we celebrate in our country. Now look at answer. Bihu and Onam are the two harvest festival of India. Harvest festival. Now look at what is Bihu and how is it celebrated. So student, Bihu is a traditional festival of Assam. It is celebrated thrice a year. In January, Bihu is celebrated as harvest festival. The student, Bihu is the traditional festival of Assam. It is celebrated by Assamese. Now look at the next, that is Onam. Onam is also a harvest festival of Kerala. It is the harvest festival of Kerala. And on the occasion of Onam, people decorate their houses. There are some special events held during Onam like snack boat and tiger dance. Now look at the next question, that is question number 5. What important event happened on 15th of August and how do we celebrate this day? Now look at the answer. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. Student, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. And how do we celebrate this day? On this day, every year, people all over India host the Indian national flag. They also sing the national anthem, and the entire country has a holiday on this day. Student, I hope you all are understand about the question answer, and you have to done this question answer in your CW copy of social study. That's all.